hair. Here we go, here we go. Alright. So far my hair looks really silky. It's so soft side of my hair. Oh, alright, I'm gonna put on my Gilmore Girls. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be straightening my hair today. I know I usually only straighten my hair once a year. I got my hair done earlier this year and I just felt like because somebody else was doing my hair that it didn't get done right. Like I really wanted to do my hair and get it the way I like it because I only straighten my hair once a year. So this would be 2 times. So this year we're going to straighten my hair twice. I'm not straightening my hair anymore. Thank God I have grown to love my hair. So I love my curls, but I do like to just straighten it. Sometimes once or twice a year is enough. So this will be the 2nd time and the last time this year. So also I did a big chop in on my birthday, which was literally exactly 2 months ago. So I'm gonna do a length check. I'm gonna see how much my hair's grown in 60 days. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I just washed my hair in the shower. So yeah, I need another hair tie to hold this piece up. Give me. So far, I did an oil treatment with my oil. This is from my brand AngelHair. This is my vanilla growth oil. This is what keeps my hair so healthy and growing long and thick and strong. I don't think my hair has ever been so thick in my life. Like, my hair is so thick. It is insane. Like, the amount of hair that I have on my head, and I know that it's because of the hair oiling. My vanilla growth oil is superior. You can get it linked below. On my website, we've got all natural beauty products. So I have literally nothing in my hair. I just did the oil treatment and then I shampooed my hair. So now my hair is just no shampoo in it. And I don't have heat protectant, but I'll be okay because I'm only doing this, you know, I won't be doing this again. No more heat for the rest of the year. So I'm not that pressed about not having heat protectant. Plus, I've got a really good Japanese blow dryer that's supposed to help with heat. It's supposed to help with not causing heat damage, so we'll see. Yeah, this is a new Japanese blow dryer that's been all the rage lately, so I'm gonna put it on cool. I'm gonna blow dry my hair on cool. If you can see what I'm doing here before I go in with the blow dryer. Okay, here we go. Done. By the way, that was very fast. I don't know what kind of blow dryer. I don't know what's going on, but that blow dried my hair so fast. Okay, so now I'm just gonna braid that section. It helps me keep everything, you know, organized. Okay. We're gonna do another section. Okay guys, so I just finished this side of my hair and then I just braided everything up so that it stays, I don't know, sorted. And now I'm gonna do this side. I'm just taking a break. Okay, so you separate the hair. This should take another 30 minutes. It usually takes longer, but like I said, the blow dryer is working so well. So let's lock in and do this side now. I try to get my hair as smooth as possible with the brush before I start to straighten my hair. Like super smooth. Okay. Here we go, here we go. All right. Make sure to braid it because let's finish up the last two sections. This is going very fast. I've been straightening my hair for about, blow drying my hair for about 45 minutes, when usually it takes way longer than that. So this is a very good, oh, I'm just gonna take the earring out for now. Okay. Then let's go back in with the blow dryer. Okay, I finished blow drying my hair and then I put my hair in a bunch of braids because it helps keep everything organized in my hair. So I'm just gonna take literally each braid out. I guess I'll pin these back. This side of my hair, that took about 30 minutes. I feel like some of these pieces are, yeah, that took about 30 minutes. But so far my hair looks really silky. It's so soft, really, really silky. Link down below, AngelHair by Maryjane. If you want angel hair, you gotta check out AngelHair, my hair brand. Okay, let's do this side of my hair. And yeah, so. All right, I'm gonna put on my Gilmore Girls. And here we go. Okay you guys, so I am just finished the bottom section here on my hair. I already finished this side. I just put it up in a little thing so it stays put, and I'm on to this side of my head, and I'm noticing my hair has grown so much. I feel like it's almost like, I don't know, it's halfway back to where it was. So in December, I chopped 8.5 inches off of my hair. I chopped like maybe this much off of my hair because I just wanted to change. I also wanted to focus on health of my hair. And so I'll put a video or whatever of what my hair looked like the day that I did my big chop. And my hair has grown so freaking much just in 60 days. And I just noticed my hair is just so shiny. Like, look at the shine on my hair. My hair is just so shiny. I don't have anything in it right now. It's so thick and healthy. You guys have got to try my products. So I've got a brand called AngelHair. Our vanilla growth oil is basically our best seller, and we have rice water. That's in my suitcase. Two powerhouses for your hair. You don't need a bunch of fancy products. For real, you really don't. It keeps my hair so shiny. There's no oil or anything in my hair, and look at that. And my ends are so healthy. That's another reason why I did my big chop. But I just feel like my hair is growing so fast. By summertime, my hair is going to be down to my belly button again, which was the goal. I wanted to grow my hair back down to my belly, but just really healthy. And I just feel like, wow, my hair's grown so much in just 2 months. Shout out to my products. You gotta stay consistent. You gotta pick a plan and you gotta stay consistent with it. So anyways, I'm gonna continue straightening my hair. I'm gonna put Gilmore Girls back on. By the way, this comb is on my website as well. I love this comb because it doesn't break your hair. It's not made of plastic.
Yeah, I think it's good that you turn them down.
Okay.
Nice problem.
Okay, I am getting very close to finishing here. We just got a couple more pieces before I'm done. I'm trying to hit my ends with a little boom curl at the end, you know what I'm saying? Oh, we have one more section. Okay. One more, maybe 2 more sections. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have waist length hair by the end of the summer, or by the beginning of summer. The hair is gonna be sitting at the belly. Lock in, guys, if you wanna have your hair swinging by summer, lock in. Start using my hair oil. If you don't use mine, find yourself a hair oil you love. Find yourself a rice water you love. Do the hair oil treatment. Massage your scalp with the hair oil 3 times a week. You can alternate. You can do rice water treatment 2 times a week. And watch your hair grow. Diet plays a part as well. I can do some more videos if you guys want about how your diet plays a role in your hair. It definitely does. What you eat will show up in your hair. 100%. So maybe let me know in the comments. Do you want me to do some more videos on what to eat for healthy hair? Woo, okay, should be the last piece. This is a really good straightener. I'm borrowing this straightener and blow dryer. It belongs to the building. Okay. Oh my word. Here, let's let down this side. Oh, it curled up a little bit. Hold on. Curl pattern, but I don't really like big curls and, you know, like wavy curls on me. On my hair, you guys, it's so shiny and long. They're so thick. Like, I can't get over the thickness of my hair, and I don't have any grays. I feel like I've had grays in my life, but maybe like 2 or 3. My hair is so dark. I think that is from the rice water. I'll put a video here of my hair just 60 days ago on my birthday. So, wow, my hair has grown so much. We're gonna see if, yeah, I know you guys are gonna say, stop giving your hair so many passes, but the hair straightener is not very hot, so it's okay. But yeah, here we go. Here's my hair, you guys. What do you think? Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna see if I can make this last 5 days, and we're gonna go back to the curls. The hair is gonna be down to belly button by summer. My hair's been growing like weeds. I'm gonna stay consistent with my hair oils. Check out my brand, AngelHair by Maryjane.com, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.